Welcome by the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about a CTAC operation that took place in Westmoreland that ended with 487s losing them life. One of them in a hospital where we go see if he make it. The operation was well planned, well executed. The 87 them did a plan for stick up a beryllium truck, and you know that guy already. Whenever beryllium get attacked, well, they are usually on the losing side. This operation definitely saved at least one of them guard. At least one security guard who would usually be dead after a report on a beryllium attack is getting to go home because of this CTAC operation, at least one. The 87 them gangs see beryllium as food. They're very confident when they go up against beryllium. This operation by CTAC, I go at least give them something to think about now. Cause no man I go wonder, hold on. I wonder if them have intel upon our planned mission too. Because this was an intel driven operation on both sides. CTAC never does set off and hope say them buck up in a some man. And the 87 them never does set off and hope say them buck up in a beryllium truck. The only people who really are complaining about what go down are the typical suspects them, the KAJ, the Kerosene Association of Jamaica, which have a whole of members, by the way, across the entire social span of Ireland. Don't think so those quote-unquote ghetto girls. You'll be mistaken. No found no speak so well. Co-work at them in a KAJ too. Matter of fact, the KAJ released a statement after news bust out say 87 operation get foiled and enough of them dead. The statement read, and I quote, "We are saddened at the loss of innocent lives. More innocent youths killed by CTAC because them here said brand new crown just land. This operation is motivated by a bad mind. Them never have to kill them. Even if them did a fire for them, even if them have 1,000 gun in the car, it no matter what them do, them shouldn't kill them. Even though they were going on a mission to rob and kill, as we've seen in many instances, so what? The security guards who work with beryllium lives don't matter. The innocent bystanders who get shot in the crossfire, as we see in Manchester, their lives don't matter. CTAC members' lives don't matter. The only life that matter is gunman and artist go suck on the mama, in quote. So as you can see, the KAJ are upset. You will see them all over the comment section of your favorite IG page that cover the news. You know how you know Ireland have a serious problem? It's not what the man them saying, because throughout history, men are known to be vile beings. When people think about wickedness, them kind of associate it with man. But them used to say that women are the soft agenda, the nice agenda, the sweet agenda. But I'm not sure that apply to Ireland. That don't apply to Ireland Instagram crowd. We're talking about people who are on social media now. Obviously we can't see what go on in every home, but the females them who always go around on the various news site them. When these things happen and you hear what them say and you see for them thought process, I one thing to see man talk certain way, but when you see woman in big numbers that talk certain way, you know that the culture have a serious problem. But that aside, as I said, the 87 them clearly didn't know when to go lay away the truck. They had their sources. They had for them intel too. Them just never that plan to CTAC or for them intel too. I imagine on the drive down, they might talk about what them are going to do. Man are going to say he now left till him at least make one duppy. Man are going to say when after I get the money, I go buy this. Which is usually foolishness, by the way. It's not like them use the money to nothing. 6 months time them broke back. Them not have nothing the money anyway. But them may kill your feet. Supposed to be an easy grab. Easy mission. Well, not today. Not today. The JSF dropped one video on them Instagram page talking about the operation.
This morning, the Jamaica Constabulary Force conducted a deliberate and well-coordinated operation in Westmoreland aimed at disrupting and apprehending members of a criminal network planning to execute a major heist. This operation was part of our ongoing efforts to deter the activities of criminal organizations and ensure the safety and security of our citizens. During the operation, our officers intercepted multiple vehicles associated with the criminal network. Unfortunately, the suspects chose to engage the police, resulting in a gunfight. As a result, 5 gunmen were shot, 4 died, and 1 is currently being treated after being rushed to the hospital by the police. 6 weapons were seized, including 3 high-powered rifles. We are grateful to report that none of our police officers were harmed during the incident. This operation underscores our commitment to combating criminal activities and dismantling criminal networks. We want to send a clear message to all criminal elements that their actions will not be tolerated, and the JCF will take decisive measures to protect the public and uphold the rule of law. The incident is being investigated by iProbe and Indicom, and we will provide further details as the investigation progresses. We continue to urge individuals to peacefully surrender and cooperate with the police. Confronting highly trained police officers poses significant risks and can lead to lethal consequences. We encourage anyone with information to come forward and share what you know. I take this opportunity to remind persons that harboring criminals is an offense. Your cooperation is vital in our collective effort to maintain a safe and secure Jamaica. The JCFI Command remains steadfast in its mission to deter and dismantle criminal organizations, ensuring that law and order prevail across our nation. At this time, I'll invite Deputy Commissioner Fitz-Bailey to give a little bit more detail on this operation and this incident this morning. So Bailey?
I just love to point out that the incident is as a result of an ongoing investigation that started as far back as February 2023. Out of the investigation, we have arrested 8 persons. They are before the courts. And during this morning operation, the weapons seized included 2 M16 rifles, 1 AK-47, 1 Glock pistol, another 9mm pistol, and a .38 pistol. We continue our investigation because we intend to dismantle this criminal network.
From planning to execution of said plans, smooth operation for CTOC. No losses were taken, and for them side, no innocent bystanders was killed. That means apart from the KAJ, right, the day belong to the security forces. Now, you know it already, a modern times now, so everybody have video this and video that. You could have seen the picture them all over the place, videos all over the place. Post some on Patreon, but 87 them get mashed up. Told the man them a panic, can't reach all in the water. Imagine you set off on a murder mission, a robbery mission, on land, and when time the day done, you in the water and float up. CTOC recover whole heap of weapons. Weapons that would have been used for rain down terror upon them Birmingham guard. But me say, not today. Great work by CTOC, proactive mission, intel-led mission, which is the best mission by the way. The worst mission is the react. There's nothing I hate more than a reactive mission. Something happen, and then you get called, and then you have to go respond to. By the time you reach, most of the damage has been done. But in this instance, the damage was done to the 87s. So all we can do is offer our condolences to the KAJ. You have to go find 4 new gunmen now for jumping at their hole. But I'm sure they won't have a hard time doing it. By next week, them good again. In the coming days, we're going to start to hear who actually did and where man come from. But great operation from CTOC. Any operation where something like this happen, broad daylight, civilians around, no losses to the civilians, and the 87s were neutralized in one way, shape or form. Mission complete. Agent Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.